What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Lolli. Let's get right into the video. What is going on, guys? If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to show you this new website I found called lolli.com. The link will be in the description down below. And as you can see here, they basically give you this little wallet on the corner of your screen that shows you how much Bitcoin you actually earned on the website. So what this website does is they give you cash back on all your purchases made online in the form of Bitcoin. When you sign up, make sure to use my tag that you see in green. Okay, so just a quick demonstration here. As you can see, adidas.com, you just click shop. And you'll get 13.5% Bitcoin back. Just wait here for 1 second, and here it is, 13.5% back. All you gotta do is buy some nice Ultra Boosts, $180, $20 back. Okay, so they have all these different websites that you can shop on and earn cash back. You only need $15 to cash out, and if you refer one friend, you get $10. So make sure that you use my code when you sign up, and you might get $10 as well. Leave a comment down below if you used my code. Before you go, I just wanted to let you know that they also have a mobile app in the App Store, and I'll leave that in the link down below as well. Please make sure you subscribe. You can watch these videos here, and I know you didn't subscribe yet, so tilt that screen, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.